Hey guys, I'm Bana Suhas and welcome back to the channel Obora Academy. I hope you all are fine. So today we are gonna do some quiz on quantitative reasoning, and today also we are gonna do it in the Kahoot platform. So I want you all to keep your Kahoot ready. If you don't know how to open Kahoot, go to new tab and then type kahoot.it. So you could get a page and enter the game pin which I give you in the chat box, or I'll share your screen so you could view the game pin and you can enter it into your game. So let me share my screen first. Mm, 1 minute. It's taking some time. Oh, okay. Hope you all could see my screen. So the game pin is loading. Let's wait for a sec. You have the game pin here. The game pin is 9172770. 8172770. I'm waiting for some players to join. If you can't see my screen, I want you to give it in the chat box that I can't see your screen, so I could know that you could see my screen or not. I had given the game pin in the chat box. I want you all to view it. I'm waiting for players. Karthik, Padmavati, Sweetie, Lalli, Sai, Gayu, Amrita. We are getting players today, so let's wait for some more of them. Another two players, Dharaninath and Siddharth. Let's wait for some more players. Shivani. Let's wait for some more players to join so the game would be interesting. Another player, Jaswant. So let me wait for some players. Giri, Hartwik, Ajay. Oh, we are getting good players today. Bhavya. So another player, Jeevita. So we have good number of players today. We have 15 players. So I think there is a good time to start our today's game. And today we are since it is quantitative reasoning, somewhat related to maths. Today we are first six questions are going to be order of fractions that ascending to descending, and I will give you explanation. No need to worry about that. And then also after that also we'll get some fraction questions only. So I want you all to bring your pen and paper so that let's start our game so quickly and end it so fast. So if you all had brought your pen and paper, I want to give a thumbs up in the chat box. So let's get started. I'm another player, Nadia. Okay, so another player, Nandini. Yeah. So I want you all players to give the thumbs up in the chat box if you're ready with your pen and paper. Hmm. Yeah, we are getting replies. We got two thumbs ups. That's good. So let's start our today's game. So quantitative reasoning in 3, 2, 1, go. The first question is order the fractions from the least to the greatest. That means ascending order. So the first two numbers are in a mixed form. So you will have to convert it into the improper fraction, and then you will have to find the LCM, and then you will have to do. I want you all guys to try. If you can't get it, no problem. I will give you the explanation. We have got 7 answers. I gave you 120 seconds of time so that you could try. 9 answers. 10, 11. I'm waiting for players to give the answers. 14 answers. Who have got all the answers, from which 10 are correct and 8 are wrong. No problem, you could try in the next question. So hope you all understood how to do that. I'm giving the explanation for those who had came wrong with the answer. No problem, you could try in the next question. So the explanation is like, okay, this is a question. Order the fractions from the least to the greatest, ascending order. So these are the mixed fractions. So now let's convert it into the improper fractions. If it is like 2, 1 by 6, 6 twos are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So it is 13 by 6, comma, and then 1, 2 by 3. If it is 1, 2 by 3, 3 ones are 3, plus 2 is 5, so 5 by 3. 5 by 3. So and then this is 10 by 9. So these three are gonna go in the 3 times table, and you'll have to find the LCM for this. So the LCM is, if you do the LCM, you're gonna get it as 18. So the LCM is 18, so all the denominators must be 18. For that, what you should do? So 6 into 3 is 18. So even for 13, you'll have to do like that. 13 into 3, which is 39. 39 by 18. This is for the first one. And then 5 by 3. If it is 5 by 3, 3 in times 6 is 18. So 5 times 6 is 13. So 30 by 18. The next one is 30 by 18. And then it is 9. So 9 times 2. So 10 times 2 is 20 by 18. So we had got the results. This is the main part. So here you will have to now order it. So since all denominators are same, now we can identify smaller than the greater numbers. So the smallest number is 20 by 18, which is 10 by 9. Yeah, and then comes 30 by 18, which is 5 by 3. 5 by 3, or which is 1, 2 by 3. and then 13 by 6, which is 2 1 by 6. So let me write 13 by 6. This is also 2 1 by 6. I wrote it in proper fraction. So this is our answer for this question. Even in Kahoot, this is the answer. So 10 by 9 is the first, and 5 by 3 is the second, and 13 by 6 is the third. So don't worry, these are so simple questions. So I want you all to try it, and I hope you also got the explanation how to do this problem. So now, any further questions, I wanted you to do the same workout which I had done, but do it somewhat quick so that you could attempt the question so fast. So now let's see the scoreboard, whether any of them are super fast. Lalli is in the first place, Amrita is in the second place, and Justwant is in the third place. I congrats you three, not only three, everybody, because they participated in this quiz, and Ajay and Jeevita, they are the runner-ups. I congrats you guys. So now let's go to the next question. This question is also somewhat same like that. So I wanted you to do the workouts which we had done for the previous question. So the first number is 16 by 5, and then comes 13 by 10, and then comes 2 4 by 3. You have 120 seconds, 100 seconds of time, and 3 answers, 4 answers. So 70 more seconds, and we have 11 answers with us. That's so great. They are so super fast. We could say they are super fast. 12 answers, 15 more seconds, 40 more seconds, 30 answers only, 14 answers, 15. The count is increasing. 23 more seconds, 15 answers with us, 10 seconds more. I want you three to answer quick. No problem, don't worry, but the time's up, and we have 16 answers with us, from which 11 are correct and 5 are wrong. No problem, don't worry that you got a wrong answer, and even for this question we are going to have the explanation. So don't worry about that, and I congrats who have got the answer correct. And now let's go to our explanation. So this is our second question. Order the fractions from the least to the greatest. 16 by 5, 13 by 10 are already in the improper, and this is only in a mixed. So now let's convert it also to improper. So let us write the fractions, which is 16 by 5 and 13 by 10, and then 2 4 by 3, 2 4 by 3, 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, so 10 by 3. Oh, 10 by 3. Oh, let me the once okay, so it's 10 by 3, 10 by 3. Yeah, so wait for a second. I think so. The question is wrong in Kahoot. Okay, that's correct only. No problem. So if you do the LCM for this, 3, 5, 10. So it will not come. So let's multiply the numbers. 5 threes are 15 and 15 into 10 it's 150. Oh, that's 1 minute. Let me check with my question script. So the uh, in the Kahoot, the question is wrong over here. The question is 5. So I want you all to write that question and give it in the comment box. So, but still, they who had got the correct, I congrats you all, because for this question, this is the answer. So let's wait for them. Let me get. I want the answers in the comment. This 3 is over 5 over here. Okay. One minute. Let me erase this because we are gonna get a new problem. So hope you all understood this question. It's over 5 over here. So let me give you the explanation. So 16 by 5, comma 13 by 10, comma 2 4 by 5. So it is 5 twos are 10 and 10 plus 4 is 14. So it's 14 by 5. Yeah, so let's take the 10 as a common multiple. So if this is going to be 10, 16 times 2, which is 32. So it's 32 by 10, comma, it's 13 by 10, no change in it. 1 minute. And then 14 by 5. So 5 times 2 is 10. So 14 times 2 is 32. Oh no, 28. 28 by 10. Yeah. So from this you'll have to find the least to the greatest. So the least is 13 by 10, which is this 13 by 10, comma, and then is this 28 by 10, which is 2 4 by 5, comma, 32 by 10, which is 16 by 5. Okay. So this is our answer. So I want you all to note it down. This is a new I gave you a new question. So now let's see the scoreboard results. So Amrita had come to the first place and Jashwant had gone to the second place and Ajay is in the third place and Jeevita and Siri are the runner-ups. I congrats you all for your hard work. And up 4 places, Sai is the highest climber. That's good, Sai. So the next question is also same like that. So this question is correct. Don't worry about this. One answer, three, 3 answers, 4 answers, 5, 6, 67 more seconds. We have 8 answers, 9 answers. 60 times is two more should answer it. 45 more seconds. 17. One more. We have got all the answers from which 11 are correct and 7 are wrong. No problem, we could try in the next question. So let me say you the explanation of this respective problem. So let's go to the Jamboard. So all of these are in the mixed form and now let's convert them into the improper fraction. So 7 times 2 is 14. So 14 plus 1 is 15. So here it is 15 by 7, comma, let me write it over here. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 1 it's 11. It's 11 by 5. 11 by 5, comma, and the last number is just 2 times 2 it's 4. So 4 plus 1 it's 5. Yeah. So yeah. So 5 by 2. So these are all are in these all are somebody there can think like we cannot do the LCM, but still we can. So the LCM is, after calculating, the LCM is 70. So we should get 70 for everything. How could you get it? So here 7 into 10. So 15 into 10, which is 150 by 70. Yeah. And then into so 1 minute 14. 5 into 14, so 11 into 14, which is 154 by 70. Then over here 35 into, again it's for 35, it is 175. That's a big number. 175 by 70. So we have got the numbers and you'll have to do it. You'll have to categorize from the least to the, since all the denominators are same, we can identify smaller and the greater numbers. So I want you all to category them. So the first is 15 by 7, which is this number, and then it is this, which is 11 by 5, and then 5 by 2, which is 5 by 2. So these are the answers. Yeah. So yeah. So these are the answers. If you want, you can check in the Kahoot also. 15 by 7, 11 by 5, and 5 by 2. 2 1 by 7, 2 1 by 5, and 2 1 by 2. These are the numbers, so don't worry. We have got the correct answers, so don't worry about that. So now let's see the scoreboard results. Okay, Siri had come to the 4th place and Jeevita had gone to the 5th place. That's good, Siri. I congrats you, Jeevita. You are participating very well. So now let's see the next question. So 551 by 8, 10 1 by 2, and 2 3 by 4. So I want you all to do. I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 answers, and I'm waiting for players to answer it. 80 seconds more. You have plenty of time with you. So 9 answers, 10 answers. I'm waiting for players to write. Oh, we have 17 answers with us from all the 17 are great. I congrats everybody because all of them, I think all of them are writing in your pen and paper and they are working out and they had all achieved it. So I think I don't want to give explanation for this because all of them are correct and I can understand that everybody had understood how to these problems. So now let's go see the fifth question. Before that, let's check the scoreboard. I say you guys, not coming to the podium is a big task. Giving a participation and learning something new from this valuable time is so important for us. So I want you all to learn something from which we teach to you. So if you can understand, we would give the best to you. So Amrita is in the first place, and I think that's the same, no changes. And Siri has the highest answer streak of 4. I congratulate you, Siri. All the best. So now let's see the next question. This is also same like that. As I said, the first 6 questions are same like that. I have heard some comments that they're getting the question so late. Don't worry about that. I have hope in you that you could do the answers so fast because everybody are maths genius, as I know. So I want again everybody to get the correct answer. No one should get a wrong answer. Oh, 5 answers, 6 answers. I'm waiting for players. I know that you are doing your workouts, so it will take some time. 7 answers. So if anyone of gonna get wrong, no problem. If you get wrong, I'm here to explain you the problem. 8 more seconds. Don't worry, you are participating. I know that. Don't worry about that. Time's up, and oh, that's somewhat sad, but still, 7 of them are correct and 6 of them are wrong. No problem. You have give your whole participation in this. That's enough. So now let's see how to do this problem because many of them had got some mistakes. So let's see how to do this. Now let me share my Jamboard. So this one had completed and this as I said you we don't want because many of them had understood it. So this is our fifth question. So 24 by 5 which is let me write it 24 by 5 comma 2 3 by 10 which is 10 times 2 is 20 and plus 3 is 23. So 23 by 10, yeah, and then 14 by 15 it's already an improper fraction, so 14 by 15, yeah. So now let's see how to do this. 5 10 15 they are going in order, right? But if you are gonna see the LCM is 30, yeah. So the LCM is 30. To get 30, you will have to multiply times 6 over here. So 6 times 5 is 30. So 44 times 6 is 24 times 6 is 144. So this is 144 by 30, comma 10 times 3 is 30. So 23 times 3 is 69. 69 by 30, comma so 15 times 2, which is 30. So 14 times 2 is 28. So we had got the answers, and you'll have to do it from the least. Since all the denominators are same, it is easy for us to calculate from the least and the greatest. So they're asking from least to the greatest, now the greatest from the least. So now let's start with the leastest, which is 28 by 30, which is 14 by 5. 14 by 15 comes first, and then comes 69 by 30, which is 2 3 by 10. Let me write 2 3 by 10, and then the third option is 24 by 5. So hope everybody understood this problem. So if you understand, let you give a like in the chat box, so I can understand that you give thumbs up. So hurry up, give thumbs up. I'm waiting for the thumbs up in the chat box. So I have not got any replies. So so we had got thumbs up. So I think we are getting thumbs up. So I think many of the people had understood this. So now let's go to the next question. Before that, let's check the scoreboard. No problem who had got wrong. You're participating. That's very good of you. So now let's see the next question. Oh, Siri had come to the first place, and Amrita is in the second place, and Jaswant is in the third place, and Ajay and Jivita are the runner-ups. No problem, Jivita, you could come up, and I congrats Siri, because from the bottom she had for the starting question she was not at all in the podium or in the fourth or fifth place, but now because of her participation, she had come to the first place. That's good about you, Siri. So up 4 places, Advik is the highest climber. That's good about you, Advik. So now let's go to the next question. This is the sixth question. Order the fractions from the least to the greatest. 1 by 6, comma 24 by 9, comma 7 by 3. I think this problem is also so easy. So I'm waiting for answers. One answer, two answers, three answers. 6 answers. So still have 68 seconds. You have plenty of time with you. We are getting answers. This is the last problem of this type. 14, 15, 16. Oh, that's so sad. And only 6 are correct and 11 are wrong. No problem. So I think this many of them had not understand. So let me give you the explanation of this problem. So this is the last problem of this type. So order the fractions from the least to the greatest. So this is only the mixed fraction. So let's convert it into the improper fraction. So um, 6 times 1 is 6 and plus 1 is 7. So 7 by 6. And then the next number 24 by 9. 24 by 9. So it is already in the improper fraction. So no need to convert it. So 24 by 9. And then the next one 7 by 3. Okay. So it's not writing. Okay. So over here 6 and 9 and 3. So the LCM is 18. Yeah, so the LCM is 18. So 6 times 3 is 18. So 7 times 3 is 21 by 18. And then 9 times 2, so 24 times 2. 9 times 2 is 18. So 24 times 2 is 48. Yeah, and then 3 times 6. So 7 times 6 is 42 by 18. So now let's arrange them. So 21 by 18 comes first. So 1 by 6. And then for 42 by 18, which is 7 by 3. And then 48 by 18, which is 24 by 9. That's all complete. We had got the answer. This is so easy. So don't worry. So this is the last question of this type. If you are interested, give a thumbs up in the chat box. So in the next quiz, we could come up with questions like this. So now let's go see the scoreboard. If anyone had changed, because many of them had got wrong, no problem. Yeah. So. Okay. Ajay had come to the second place and Amrita is in the third place and Jashwant is in the fourth place. That's good. So, combo breaker. 4 players has dropped their answer streak of 5. No problem, yeah? So, now let's see the next question. So, this is 1 by 8 into 2 by 4. This question is so easy after so much of workout questions. This question is so easy. So we are getting answers so quick for this question. I think you don't even need 120 seconds. Multiply the following questions to 10 and click your answers. We had got the results from which 7 are wrong and 10 are correct. No problem, 7 of you could try the next question. So let me tell you the explanation for this. This is so easy, but don't worry. So this is also we should do this also. We should do this also in the same way. Um, do I need to say the explanation? If you want 1 minute. So this is the question. So 1 by 8, 1 by 8 into 2 by 4. You'll have to cancel this 4, 2, here cancel 2 and 1. So so here 8 times 2, which is 16 by 1. So this is the answer. That's all. This is so easy. So now let's see the next question. Before that, let us check the scoreboard results. So in the scoreboard results, okay, Sai had come to the third place and Gaio is in the fourth place and Amrita is in the fifth place. That's good. So now let's go to the next question. So 3 by 5 into dash equals to 2 by 5. One answer. They're so quick. Only two answers, 3, 4. 14, 15. We had got everybody, and this is also so easy question, and I think we don't want to give the explanation. So now let's see the scoreboard. Um, so Sai had come to the second place, and now Gayu is in the third place, and Siri is in the first place, and Ajay and Advik, 8A square. They are in the fourth and fifth places, the runner-ups. That's good. So now let's see the next question. This is also same like that. Okay. 7 answers. Even in this problem, if you are gonna get mistake, I will explain you. 11 answers. We are getting answers so quick. So we had got the results. 7 are wrong and 10 are correct. That's the same. So let me give you the explanation for this. So I think the explanation is not there. So the question is not there. So let me copy the question into Jamboard. So so wait for a second. So this is the question. So let me explain you. So this is a dash. So let us take it as x. X into 3 by 7 equals to 1 by 7. Yeah. Till now everybody understood, right? So x equals to okay, sorry, x 1 minute. Hmm. So x equals to 1 by 7 into 7 by 3 because this is going the other side of the equal to sign. So if it is plus, it would become minus. So if it is minus, it would become plus. So it is in division, so it would become it will reciprocal. So here 7 and 7 are going to get cancelled. So x equals to 1 by 3. Hope everybody understood, and the questions are gonna come like this only. Yeah, so everybody see this workout so that you could understand. So now let's go to the next question, and before that let's check the scoreboard. So I think there are no changes in the scoreboard, that's the same. And Siri has the highest answer streak of 9. That's good. So now let's see the next question. This is also same like that. Only one answer. We have 94 seconds of plenty of time. Three answers. Four, six, seven answers. Eight answers. Ten answers. Hurry up, everybody. Time is not there. So we have got the results. This is also sad to see. Nine of them are wrong and eight are correct. No problem, don't worry. I think even this problem I'll have to explain. So now let me copy this question to paste it in the Jamboard. So since many are wrong, I'll explain for them. So let me take new page. This and the oh. So now let us start the explanation. So again this dash is x. So let us write it like this. X equals to, okay, 1 by 4 into 3 by 6 equals to x. So this 3 gets 1 times and 6 gets 2 times. So this x is 4 times 2, which is 8 by 1. So the answer is 1 by 8. So this is also completed and the answer is 1 by 8. So hope everybody understood it. So now let's see the scoreboard whether anyone are changed. Sai is in the first place and Siri is in the second place, and Advik, very good about you. You are in the third place, and Gayu is in the fourth place and Ajay is in the fifth place. That's good. So up three places, Siddharth is the highest climber. That's good. So now good Siddharth. So now let's see the next question. 3 by 7 into 7 by 15. This is also so easy. So we have 10 answers, 11 answers. 15 answers, 16. Oh, we had got all the answers from which 5 are wrong and 12 are correct. No problem. So, will I have to explain this because most of them had got the answer correct. So, this is also easy. So, let me explain for those who are wrong. So, let me copy it. So, this is our question. So let us start the workouts. So 3 by 7 into 7 by 15 equals to the answer. So 7 and 7 are going to get cancelled. So if it is 3 by 15, 3 times 1 and 15 is 5. So the answer is 1 by 5. Yeah. So the answer is 1 by 5. The answer is 1 by 5. So hope everybody understood how to do it. So now let's see the scoreboard results. So that's the same in scoreboard, nothing has changed. So now let's see the next question. So 7 by 9 into dash equals to 1 by 6. 12 answers, 66 more seconds. 15 answers. We had got the results. Oh, 8 are wrong and 9 are correct. No problem. So let's see how to do this problem. So, oh, Jamboard. So let's start the explanation. So this is again x. So x equals to 1 by 6 of 9 by 7. Yeah. So this 6 is gonna go 2 times and this is gonna go for 3 times. So 3 by 14. This is the answer. Let's see, which is 3 by 14. Yeah, we had got the correct answer. That's good, and I hope everybody understood how to do this. So now let's see the scoreboard. So Sai is in the first place, that's same. Advik has the highest answer streak of 9. That's good, Advik. So now let's see the next question. So 1 by 2 into 10. So only 2 answers. 7 answers. I think from now onwards I don't want to give explanation because all are so easy. 9 answers. 10 answers. I'm waiting for the replies. So I got the answers from which 2 are wrong and 11 are correct. That's good. So now let's go to the scoreboard. So Gayo is in the second place and Siri is in the third place and Advik and Giri had come to the fifth place. That's good. So now let's see the next question. 1 by 5 into dash equals to 4. This is very, very simple. Replace the question mark with the numbers which are on the bottom. So with nothing. Don't worry, guys. The session is gonna be end up, so don't worry. Only two more questions. Five more seconds. Only 12 answers. So 10 are correct and 2 are wrong. That's no problem. So now let's see the next question. And in the scoreboard, okay, Giri is in the third place and Siri had gone to the fourth place and Ardik is in the fifth place. So now let's see the next question. Before that, up 3 places, Lalli is the highest climber. Good, Lalli. Maintain the same. So now let's go to the next question. 3 by 4 into dash equals 12. 2 answers. Seven answers. Nine answers. Next question is the last question. Don't worry about that. Oh, by mistakenly some technical issues. So no, don't worry. The student attended, but six are correct and again six are wrong. No problem about that. You could. This is also so easy. If you follow in the correct method, the answer is 16. So the next question is gonna be the last question. So don't worry about that. Siddharth is in the third place and Siri had come to the fifth place. No problem, Siri. I think some problem for you because you're not giving answers. So now let's go to the next question. This is the easy most question. Don't worry, guys. This is the last question. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think two more. 11, 12. Still players are there. 10 more seconds. This question alone I'll explain you because this some might get wrong. This is the last question, so don't worry about that. Only five are correct and seven are wrong. So that let me explain you how you got this answer. So this is so easy. Let me just I had copied it already. So now let me give you the explanation. So this question mark is an x. So x equals to 9. If this is multiplication over here, it would be division if it comes to the other side of the equal to. So it is 24 over here. So 9 times 1 and 9 times 3. Oh, sorry, 3 threes are 9 and 3 eights are 24. So the answer is 3 by 8. Yeah, so we had got the answer. So don't worry, guys, we are completed with our questions. And now let's see the podium results. Many of us need practice in these questions. Okay, Giri is in the third place. That's good. and Gayu is in the second place, and the first place winner is Sai. Good, Sai. So the runner-ups are Siddharth and Siri. That's good. So that's all about today's session, guys. If you like this session, please give it a like, and share it with your friends. And if you hadn't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe our channel, Obora Academy. And today we are completed with our quantitative reasoning. Tomorrow we will get logical reasoning, and day after tomorrow we could get the verbal reasoning. So stay tuned for those sessions too. And day after tomorrow's, I would come up again with another topic in quantitative reasoning. So stay tuned until that. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned to our channel. Thank you. So a minute, it's loading.